Hi, I'm Bree Oldham. I'm the CEO of Electronic Design and Manufacturing. Our top sustainability priority is people. John, you may not know this, but we're a 100% employee owned company. So we are really invested in our employees and their engagement in the business. We find that employee ownership is a great vehicle for better engagement in processes and quality in electronics manufacturing. We do this through workforce training and development, some of which we've done ourselves, a lot of which we appreciate IPC's work in workforce training, and we take advantage of those programs, all the learning modules and the apprenticeship program. We found that with our employees engaged, they also make great environmental decisions too, whether that's recycling in the break room, recycling PCB scrap, or making sure that extra boards and components go to our educational partners to train the next generation of workers instead of in the trash. We measure that with retention, success and quantity of our development programs, and the success of our equipment implementations. A low-cost, sustainable domestic supply chain. The challenges and costs of transporting all of the tools and materials you need to build a PCBA across the globe is costly and it's impactful on the environment. And I would love to see our government support through the CHIPS Act or another vehicle in the entire value chain and investment in domestic capacity, as IPC says, silicone to systems.
Yeah.